Suppose you have a complicated circuit and you don't need to know everything about the circuit. You are only looking for a specific piece of information. For example, you could have a big circuit like this, and all we care about is the current running through this resistor at a particular moment in time. Is there a way we can simplify this? Yes, because of the structure of this kind of circuit. You have a battery connecting the top wire and the bottom wire. And the top wire is connecting each of these branches. So we have this resistor connected across the battery, this capacitor connected across the battery, and so forth. To figure out, say, how much current is coming out of the battery, you need to solve the entire complicated thing. That battery's only job is to provide a specific amount of voltage in the circuit. That's all it does. You can imagine that battery being replaced by a separate battery for each branch. In other words, you can ignore the rest of the circuit and just look at this branch and the battery. That will not give you an accurate read on the current from the battery, but it will give you an accurate read on the current through the resistor. Because the current through the battery, it depends on the other branches, but the current through the resistor simply depends on the fact that you have that many volts connected across it. If you add all these other branches, what that's doing to the battery is it's draining it faster. It's not changing the voltage. So you'd think this would be a very specific special case, but it actually shows up a fair amount because engineers actually do this. They usually have like the bottom wire be a voltage and the top wire be a higher voltage and a battery connecting the two, and then various things connecting top to bottom. I often see students like trying to solve this whole elaborate thing. I'm like, guys, just pull out the one piece. That's all you need. So I thought I would point that out as something to look for when you're analyzing circuits.